Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to download Play Games beta on PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your device web browser. In the address bar, type in Play Games beta and hit the search button. From the search results, find and click on the official Play Games beta link. On the web page, locate the download beta button and click on it to start downloading the file. Once the file is fully downloaded, click on it to open. Finally, tap on the install button to begin the installation process. And this is how you can download Play Games beta on PC. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.